Yep. All right. I'm on it now. Bye. Hey guys, so we're here in Sunny Isles. We came and brought Randy's a neon Lamborghini sign in his bike from Maryland. We brought Jimbo C4. We're here in this nice plaza right next to the Porsche Design Tower where we left the truck and trailer. And we get here and the truck and trailer is gone now. Right here. So, well, now we got to figure this one out. Now we got to find the tow company. I'll be right back.
Yes, I'll be here.
So we have an adventure right now. One thing we have learned are transporters and brokers suck. One of our good friends, Mike, with the 720, needs his vehicle back by Friday night for a big event he's going to on Saturday. No big deal, of course, since we got the car done, but all the brokers decided to not set up a transporter or anything to help us out. So we've taken it on ourselves to make a road trip. So we're going from Southwest Florida to somewhere around Cleveland, Ohio. But we have some surprises that we're picking up. You think we're gonna go that far? Only for one task? Nah, play it. We're the type to just fit as much stuff possible in the shortest amount of time. It is Thursday morning and we gotta be back by Saturday night for Mother's Day.
Oh shit.
And we have 36 or 38 hours of driving to do. So we are going from Southwest Florida to Georgia to pick up a trailer for the trailer company. That's all I'm gonna say about it. So Vinny is bringing back the 1K trailer from Georgia, so it's not stuck in Georgia, which is helping us a lot. Because now we're gonna add that to our plate as well. And then Omar and I are on the road again.
On the road again.
On the road again.
Oh my God, is that my daddy?
Es
Wait,
papi culo. She's papa ass.
Oh my god. This is 1K.
Weenie.
This messed up. We're gonna transfer trucks first.
Okay.
One for each one.
Damn, in the Louis. Engineering.
My ingenuity knows no bounds.
So if I have to make something work, I'll make something work.
You want it working, boy? All right, Omar, where we at?
West Virginia.
West Virginia.
West Virginia.
We've never been here. It's 45 degrees out in May, and
It feels good.
it feels great, way better than Florida. We got 5 hours to go to Ohio, then 5 hours to go after that to Maryland, 17 hours to go back home. Whoa! I feel like this bridge might break on us. Quick facts, the United States infrastructure rating is an F.
Yes. So, where are we?
We are in a secret location in Ohio now.
Damn.
Yeah.
It's been a mission and a half.
It's been fun.
Yeah, it
Hasn't been too bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. But yeah. So what are we doing here exactly?
We are here at our good friend slash client Mike's house to drop off his 720. Mike actually lives near the shop down in Florida, but he also has a house up here in Ohio. The brokers that were supposed to get us a transport up here for his car, never came through, and we came through.
Mike isn't the only thing we're doing up here.
Oh, no, baby, no. We're picking up some stuff for our good friends, Savage Garage. Yeah, I think we're here. Owens. That would make sense.
Yeah.
It says Owens. I am gonna run over all of Mike's grass. That is my goal. You heard me? Omar, are you winning or you're losing?
Losing now.
You're losing.
Yeah.
How could you?
You're not supporting me. Yeah, no.
Yo, I'm sorry, bro.
Made it, mama. They were telling me something happened. I'm like, oh my, what happened? Dude, that's dope. You made it.
We've been here for like 3.5 hours.
Are you serious, bro? That looks so good, man. Holy moly. Hey, you gotta hurry and go home. Something happened to the house. I'm literally in line to get food, and I had to leave. It was funny because when you said you guys were at Chipotle, we decided to do everything right then and there. Like I just pulled the truck and trailer out, I parked it over there, I sprinted over here. You guys tricked me. If you're gonna do donuts, you gotta take him footage. Yeah. Let's go do it right out there. Hey, wait, your neighbors aren't gonna hate you? They already hate me.